Okay, so you're wondering if your employer can access your TransUnion credit report. This is a common question, and the answer is a little bit complicated. It depends on a few different factors, including your state, your job, and your employer's policies. So, let's dive into the details and see what you need to know. What is a credit report? A credit report is a file that contains information about your credit history. This information includes your credit score, your payment history, your debt, and any bankruptcies or foreclosures you have. Who can access your credit report? There are a few different types of people who can access your credit report. These include potential lenders, credit card companies, insurance companies, landlords, employers. Can your employer access your credit report? The answer to this question is yes and no. In some states, employers are allowed to access your credit report. In other states, they are not. If your employer is allowed to access your credit report, they will typically need to get your written consent first. They will also need to explain why they want to see your credit report and how they plan to use it. Why would an employer want to see your credit report? There are a few reasons why an employer might want to see your credit report. These reasons include to assess your financial responsibility, to determine your risk of defaulting on a loan, to determine your eligibility for a promotion or raise. What are the risks of your employer accessing your credit report? There are a few risks associated with your employer accessing your credit report. These risks include discrimination, identity theft, errors on your credit report. How can you protect your credit report? There are a few things you can do to protect your credit report. These include checking your credit report regularly, correcting any errors on your credit report, freezing your credit report. Whether or not your employer can access your credit report depends on a number of factors. If you are concerned about your employer accessing your credit report, you should talk to them about their policies. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.